Hi everybody! Today's recipe for soup of the week is Grandma Kralovich's corn chowder, and I call it Grandma Kralovich's corn chowder because I learned how to make this when I think I was like 10 years old, and that was my little girlfriend's grandma's name, and she taught me how to make this, and I loved it better than my mom's, where she kind of did get a little pissed off, but hey, that was a long time ago. And she passed away, God rest her soul. But at any rate, it's a great family-friendly recipe, budget-friendly too, and we all love soup, and we're all looking for soup in the wintertime. It's a great way to feed your family, and who doesn't love soup? And we all certainly need a lot of comfort food right now. Just saying. But anyways, I hope you guys love this recipe as much as my family's always loved it. So here's the recipe.
First, you want to brown your bacon and your onions until they're very, very well done. Their bacon's going to turn real brown and crispy. And when that's done, you're going to add your diced celery, your diced carrots, your corn, tomatoes, and diced potatoes, your chicken broth, and then you're going to season with your parsley and your garlic powder. Bring the whole thing to a boil. And just simmer on low until your potatoes are fork ready.
And I want you guys to always remember something. It's not how big your kitchen is. It ain't how fancy it is. It's just the love that comes out of your kitchen for your family and friends. And knowing that you're cooking healthy, delicious, and budget-friendly meals for your family. If that's the only thing that you get from my channel, hey, we good.